Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Instagram reel from Instagram post. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Instagram application and click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Then you simply need to select any of your Instagram post and click on three dots here, and here you can see option of create reel from this post. Click on that option and you can easily create a reel from this post. You can add music, so let me skip this step, and here you can see that our reel is created. Then you simply need to click on next, and here you need to click on OK, and after that you simply need to click on share. So this is a process by which you can create reel from Instagram post. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.